Today we're going to have a Texas showdown between two classic Texas meat, buffalo versus beef.
There's a part of me that feels like this one is the buffalo. I'm gonna guess that's the beef. We'll see if I got it right. I'm very curious.
Beef and buffalo both have a very significant part of history of Texas. So today we're going to have a little fun with a guest, seeing if they can tell the difference between buffalo burger and a beef burger, and then a buffalo fillet and a beef fillet. It should be a lot of fun. So my name is Tony Street. I'm the managing partner, the owner and chef of the Wyo Ranch Steakhouse. We're in the downtown Dallas West End, the historic West End. We have been serving buffalo and wild game now for 29 years. We have the largest selection of exotic meats pretty much anywhere. I would say in Dallas or even Texas, but I think in the United States, really.
So here's burger number one. It's really delicious. There's a part of me that feels like this one is the buffalo. Man, it's really delicious. Yeah, I'm gonna say that this one's the buffalo. Burger number two. Here we go. Yeah, that's the beef. Cooked to perfection. Incredible. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's the beef burger. I feel confident.
Did not get it right.
I did not? No way. I was gonna say this is the one I like better, actually. But no way, I was wrong. That's crazy.
He might have a hard time telling the difference between the buffalo burger and beef burger. Buffalo doesn't have as much marbling as the beef does. A lot of the juiciness and flavor comes from the fat.
I'm mind blown. I guessed wrong, and I guess I gotta do some work on my taste buds or something. Incredible. But now I'm gonna try the filet mignon, and so redemption round. Here we go. Well, now I've got those to base this off of, and so I think it'd be inexcusable if I get this wrong, right? Let's see. Everything here is so good. I'm gonna guess that that's the buffalo. Based off of the burgers that I just had, and okay, I think that's the buffalo. It's lean, it's moist, man, it's so flavorful. I'm leaning buffalo for this one.
All right. Cleanse the palate.
Yeah.
Steak number two.
Let's go. I can make a career out of this, I think. It's not a bad gig. Incredible. All right, yeah, that makes sense. I'm gonna guess that's the beef. We'll see if I got it right. I'm very curious.
You got this set right.
Yes, redemption. Oh, it feels so good.
Which one do you like more?
I would say this one more. It's just so flavorful. It is just, yeah, kind of the way that I love it. Kind of a more beefy, well, that's not the word. The beef is more beefy. Rich. It's just kind of more rich, flavorful, packed. Yeah, just my kind of steak.
So the main difference between a buffalo fillet and a beef fillet is that the buffalo is a little leaner, and it's got a kind of a richer flavor to it. It's not, you hear the word gamey, but it's not gamey at all. I like to use the word rich.
Who's a winner in your book? Which is better, beef or buffalo?
I would say this is probably some of the best buffalo that I've had. But yeah, I think I'm just a classic beef guy. I think that's all this is. I think that's what you're seeing.
So it'd be a hard decision for me to pick which fillet I would order. I would probably go more with the texture. So I guess at the end of the day, for me, the beef fillet would win. Yeah, so we're not just another Texas steakhouse borrowing the Texas theme. Our namesake is the actual ranch, which has been around since 1880, which is in Kerrville, Texas. And so it's very authentic, very genuine Texas steakhouse. The ranch originally was over 80 square miles, and everything you would see in the restaurant comes off the ranch. It's an artifact of the ranch, was made on the ranch. And we didn't buy any decor. It's all associated with the ranch. For anybody who's been skeptical of trying any of this wild game, like the buffalo or the others, I would come in and just give it a try. Come give it a shot. Don't be scared.